Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and right now ewan ko ba kung dinig ako sa labas, nakakahiya, but anyway, nasa Odense kami. It is like 2 hours and a half drive from where we live kasi we are celebrating Martin's mother's birthday. Kaya andito kami ngayon, so we're gonna be staying until Sunday, bali weekend, ganyan. So, mag-room tour tayo kasi first time natin sa hotel na ito. Ang name ng hotel, wait lang. This one. That one, Millings Hotel. So, yun. And nasa, ano talaga siya guys, in the middle sa city. So, when you go out, it's so easy. There's so much restaurants, so much of everything. Kasi nasa center sa city lang siya. So, now mag-start na tayo ng ating tour. Ewan ko ba ang dilim dito, but then again, kayo na mag-adjust. So, ito yung door. Pagkapasok mo, tingin ka sa right. Nandiyan ang bed. Super nice. May pa-painting sila. Tapos yung light nila dyan. Tapos, yung TV yan dyan. Nakahang ng mga jacket namin. And then what's nice is may upuan na ganito na makakapag-relax ka talaga. Hindi yung direct bed, automatic pagkapasok. So may table din. So ito din. Nakaupo dyan ang aking mister. Do. Tapos may malaking window. So kita yung labas. And then tapos ako may malaking mirror, ganda. Tapos sa left side, ito yung parang entrance. Sa left side is yung toilet. At ang toilet guys, ang laki. Taran! Tapos on natin yan. Yes. So yung shower area is malaking space, towels, toilet obviously. So malaki yung space niya. Tapos ako kakalkag pamuhok turo doy. So yun. So yun na, isang mabilisang paano ba to? Yes, isang mabilisang room tour, and first time ko sa city na ito actually. So, it's exciting to also go outside and see what's in there. So, that's gonna be what's going to happen. And then, we get 30 minutes to relax a little bit. And then after 30 minutes, lalabas na naman kami. And then, we're gonna have dinner. We're gonna have dinner with the whole family. Ganyan.